Here's the latest on the winter weather moving through the region this morning. Some very heavy freezing rain, sleet, and snow moved through portions of northeast and central Missouri and western Illinois during the pre-dawn hours. At 7:30 this morning, radar indicated that this band of heavy precipitation had now moved into central sections of Illinois. However, the winter weather will continue over the area today. You can see that there is a little bit of a wintry mix stretching from the Kansas City area to around Kirksville. This is a little bit of light snow and sleet and a little bit of freezing rain as well. Whereas this larger band stretching from southwest Missouri into the St. Louis area is primarily rain. So we do have a little more winter weather on our way today, but as I mentioned, the heaviest precipitation has now moved off to our east. Taking a quick look at the total snow and ice accumulations for this storm, and as I mentioned earlier, the heaviest precipitation has now moved off to the east, so quite a bit of this has already occurred. But nonetheless, we're looking for snowfalls in excess of 6 inches over far northern parts of our area, along and north of the Kirksville to Canton line. As you head to the south, snowfall accumulations will taper off fairly quickly. However, the further south you go, you'll be getting into an area of some fairly significant ice accumulations. And we are expecting ice accumulations anywhere from around 1/4 to 1/3 of an inch from near Columbia through the Bowling Green and Louisiana areas into adjacent parts of western Illinois. Travel in the Bowling Green and Louisiana areas and western sections of Illinois are extremely treacherous early today. And if you're planning to drive through this area, our best advice is to wait, give road crews a chance to work on the highways and for weather conditions to improve before you begin your travel. This winter storm will be impacting a large part of the nation's midsection today. Winter weather advisories are in effect for much of western Missouri and south central sections of Iowa. Winter storm warnings are in effect for the areas that will receive the greatest impact from this winter storm, from around Quincy to the northeast into southeast sections of Iowa and into northern sections of Illinois. The advisories are located just to the north and west of St. Louis, and it's certainly possible that additional advisories will be necessary later this afternoon and this evening as the cold air sags back to the south, changing the rain in the St. Louis area back to a little bit of a wintry mix. So if you're planning to travel in the St. Louis area later today and tonight, be certain to monitor the latest forecast and weather information. For additional details on today's winter weather, visit our website, www.weather.gov/St. Louis, and you can also find us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.